So, me and Tia and Brandish are walking around at my middle school, and, oh yeah, there's some Trane packaged units up on the roof. And, we're gonna tape these, wall hang units to the portables. Well, I am. I don't think he is, but... Yeah, you don't care about this stuff, do you? It's a Bard, the wall mount right there. My camera will focus. It doesn't want to focus, and this has a... I think it has a Copeland scroll. This is a Eubank right here. Eubank. I don't know how you really pronounce that. These are all from 2005. That's when the school was built. At least that's when this place opened. I don't know when they started building it. TM Brandish. And I think they have some more on the other side. But oh crap! Lights are on in this one. Heck. Let's see. I don't know if... Yeah, these are Bard. Again, this is revisited. Oh yeah, Copeland scroll compressors. Knew it. These have good compressors in them.
Bard.
Yeah, Bard. Wall hang units. And they're all from like 2005, right? So that's when this place is built. 2005 or 2004 or maybe 2006. I don't know when, but this is like pretty new, I think. Well, that was easy. Alright, I'll be quick. Okay, we got 2 York gas packs. Or York split system gas packs, which are from 2000. Here we have a Trane Weathertron heat pump, which, if I can find it, that just turned on. I don't know what that is. This thing is from 2006. It's fairly new. Some POS Yorks right there. Weathertron. 2006 as well. Something just turned on. Oh, this just turned on. York POS. Anyways, it's getting dark. It's getting late. Fan just turned on. Anyways, over and out.